In the last class we were discussing how to or why do we need this conditional statements in Python or in any programming language. So we have seen that because sequential approach may not be sufficient in cases where there are possibly where you reasons based on in real time during the program execution, and in such cases there are chances of multiple outputs based on some decision making. So in such kind of scenarios you require some mechanism or some type of construct or a statement which will allow you to make decisions during the execution of the program on real time. So we have flow control statements, and and under that we have conditional statements, that is if statements, which will enable us to do that. So we have also seen that using an example, a flow chart ka example leke. Okay. So now we will see, we have also seen that there are three types of if flow control statements, that is if else, and if elif else. So three ways you can write the conditional statements. Then why three ways? So we just simply wrote the definitions in which cases, or not definitions exactly, but in which cases which one is to be used. In which case which of the three is to be used. So we have just laid out a few points. So if should be used when more than one outcomes are possible. However, we are interested only in one of the possibilities and a corresponding action as per that possibility, and we will be ignoring rest of the possibility. For example, example of if statements. That means pure if statements, that is the first one. Okay. मान लो there is a question, write a program to print the bigger of the two numbers. Bigger of the two numbers entered by the user. This is example 1. Okay. Now we are going to write the solution. So first of all, we need two numbers from the user. So we'll ask two numbers in two different ways and save them different variables. Let's say I'll take num1 is equals to float input. That means the first number. Num2 is equals to float the second number. Now you have taken two numbers. Now what is your requirement is if you have to print the bigger number. Okay. Or rather I'll modify the program a bit. Write a program to print, write a program to accept two numbers from the user and print the first number if it is bigger. Yeah, this is class 10. हाँ प्रशांत, रिवीजन क्लास 10 ही है. Okay. Now, here what is the requirement? User will give two numbers. Once user has given two numbers, then you will check if the first number is bigger than the second number. If the first number is bigger, then only you will print the first number. Else you do not want to explore the other possibilities, in which case the second number will be bigger. Okay. So यहाँ पे क्या है? Though there are more than one possibilities. What is more than one possibility? That second num2 can also be bigger. But we are only interested in one scenario wherein the first number is bigger, and in that case only we have to do the corresponding action. And what is the corresponding action? Print the first number. When? If it is bigger. Okay. So we'll write if num1 is greater than num2, print num1. As per the demand of the question, do we need to worry about whether the second number is bigger? Answer is no. Why? The question says कि print the first number if it is bigger. It has not mentioned anything else. That means though there are other possibilities, but we are interested in only this of the this particular case, wherein the first number is bigger, and in which case we are going to perform the corresponding action. If that case, that interested case or our case of interest matches, in which case we are going to write the action in the body of if statement. And what is the body of if statement? It will be slightly indented inside after colon. ठीक है, थोड़ा सा indented होगा. Indented means some space will be left, and all the action that has to be performed is this case matches should be slightly indented. That means should be left space, and then that thing should be written as a set of statements there. Okay, so after indentation. So this is what you call as action. This is your the possibility in which you are interested, possibility or condition in which you are interested, or scenario, whatever you can say. Interested, and you will ignore every other possibility and ignore or skip or not interested in other possibilities. Okay, so here there are, इसको मैं थोड़ा एक और एंगल से लिख दूंगा, so that you all can be very sure what I mean to say. See here, हाँ कीर्तना थोड़ा ध्यान दिया करो, you will miss the this key concepts. Okay, so देखो यहाँ पे क्या है. Yeah, I have shared the screen. Okay, you are not able to see the join option. Check your system's time if it is correct. वो कभी-कभी टाइम सिस्टम का गलत हो जाता है ना, तो दिक्कत हो जाता है. ठीक है, now pay attention. Try joining once again. अगर दिक्कत हो रहा है तो एक बार और ज्वाइन करने की कोशिश करो. Okay. Just a minute. Right. So देखो यहाँ पे how many possibilities are there? I'll write here. Possibilities are there. Okay, good. So how many possibilities are there? We have num1 can be greater than num2. Num2 can be greater than num1. Num1 can be equal to num2. Three possibilities are there. But as per the question or the demand of the question, how many possibilities we are interested in? We are interested in only the first possibility, right? So we are interested only in this. We are about these two. Okay. So in such a scenario where the demand of the question is such that out of the many available possibilities, you are to be interested in only one of the possibilities and rest you don't have to worry about, then in that case, you are going to use the first variation or the first version of or the first type of if conditional statement. Okay, so here we can see we are only bothered about when n1 is greater than n2, in which case we have to do one action. And what is that action? Printing that number. And that action will be indented inside the if statement and will be put inside the body. Okay, and corresponding action. Just a minute. And corresponding action will be print or display n1, ठीक है, which will form the block or body of body in indented manner. Okay, so I'll repeat version of if in case where the demand of the question is such that there are many possibilities, but you are interested in only one of those possibilities, and rest of the possibilities you will not bother about or mention in the question. So in such a case, you are going to use the if variation. Okay. In such a case, you are going to use the if variation only, and rest of the things you will not bother about. And whatever is the action that will be in the body of the if, that means when this condition of the if is true, okay, then only this will be executed. Okay, this is about if else or this first one if statement. तो ये कंडीशन इसका मतलब समझ में आया? Are you understanding? Used when out of more than one possible outcomes, we are interested in only one type of possibility or outcome and the corresponding action. That means what will be the action done when that possibility or that interested activity, the activity in which we are interested is done. ठीक है, ये देख के बताइए, ये समझ में आया है? तो बताओ कि in which case are you sure now कि when to use only if statement? Clear है? Okay. Abhishek, you were there in the first class. अच्छा लगता है, थोड़ा देर से आए थे. I remember, yes. Okay. Priyanka, Vishnu Priya, Akhila and others. Shall we move ahead? Okay. ठीक, good. एक चीज और याद रखो. Next page. note that, अच्छा नहीं करते हैं, उसको सिंटेक्स की तरह दिखा देते हैं। Syntax of if statement। ठीक है, syntax of if statement। क्या होगा? If keyword, then what will come?
Condition.
No, that is properly known as a header of if। Okay, then colon is the block statement operator। ठीक है, यहां से this signifies कि whatever follows after it will be in an indented manner, will be the block of if statement। ठीक है, then you have the indented manner में, that means at the same level, of indentation, that means after leaving the same amount of space in all the lines, all the associated lines will execute when this header returns true। ठीक है, so that statements which will be executed when the header returns true or when header evaluates to true, those statements, okay, those set of statements will be part of if and will be known as what, or will form the block or body of if। ठीक है, so here let us understand, if I say this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, and this block or body is, बताते हैं, एक मिनट रुक जाओ। This is 4। अच्छा चलो मिटा ही देते हैं। ठीक है, सो आई, अब इसको हम इधर लेवल की तरह देख लेते हैं। फर्स्ट वन is keyword that is fixed। Okay, suggesting start of conditional statement if conditional statement। Okay, second is header। Header which will be a Boolean type or Boolean type means Boolean type true or false, or an expression which will ultimately evaluate to Boolean type. That is true or false. So header will be an expression जैसे a greater than b, where a and b will be two values. Okay, या फोर ग्रेटर देन 5, तो इसका आंसर हरदम ट्रू या फॉल्स में आएगा. तो हेडर पार्ट आफ्टर इफ एंड बिफोर दिस colon will be such an statement or such an expression, not a statement, such an expression which will ultimately evaluate to true or false, or you can directly give if true, that means it will always get inside the body, or if false, it will never get inside the body. Okay, so either you can directly specify true or false as a part of header, as header rather, or you can give a expression which will ultimately true or false. तो हेडर में ये समझ में आया कि what all things are can qualify as header. Sir, what do we mean by syntax? अच्छा, syntax के बारे में मैं बताता हूँ, पहले रुक जाओ. Does it mean the structure or the part of the code? It basically means the grammar allowed for that code. You can take it roughly as syntax. चलो लिख देता हूँ. You can say accepted grammar. जैसे इंग्लिश में होता है ना, ग्रामेटिकली करेक्ट सेंटेंस, ग्रामेटिकली इनकरेक्ट. एक्सेप्टेड ग्रामर, अभी के लिए मान लो, रफली मैं समझा रहा हूँ. एक्सेप्टेड ग्रामर फॉर प्रोग्रामिंग. अगर ये ग्रामर गलत होगा तो सेंटेंस करेक्ट फॉर्म नहीं होगा, दैट मींस प्रोग्राम विल गिव एरर. फॉर प्रोग्राम्स. ओके, सो ये हेडर समझ में आया. व्हाट ऑल थिंग्स कैन बी हेडर? यू कैन आइदर स्पेसिफाई डायरेक्टली ट्रू और फॉल्स, okay, any one of them, or you can write an expression which will evaluate to true and false. Once the true or false appears before after evaluation, then only being depending on whether it is true, it will get inside the body. If it is false, it will not go inside the body. So I'll write one more line here. If header is true, or the expression for header evaluates to true, then program execution will execute the statements which form the part of the header, part of the block or body, one by one. ठीक है? Else, if false, body will be skipped and next statement at the same level of indentation will be executed. Same level of indentation as if statement will be executed. That means if header happens to be false or an expression which results in false, in which case header this program execution won't go inside the block and won't execute these statements. Rather, it will go and execute the next statement which comes after the body and which is at the same level as the indentation as if. जो if के line में होगा अगला statement after the indented part. ठीक है, जो भी statement, the first statement which will be outside the body, or so how we will identify those statements? With that, those statements will be in the same line. In the same line means if के line में, यहाँ पे somewhere यहाँ से अगर जो statement शुरू होगा ना, such statements will be executed. ठीक, right, correct. ये पार्ट समझ में आया? what is header and in which case program will go inside and run the execution and all of the body. Okay, third is colon, which is block initiation or statement, or not statement, operator. ठीक है, this signifies that after this whatever will be coming in indented manner will be forming the block of the if statement. It signifies that whatever statements, or it signifies that statements that follow, मतलब उसके बाद जो स्टेटमेंट आ रहा है, and which are indented at the same or indented by the same extent थोड़ा इंग्लिश ऊपर नीचे हो तो उसको सही कर लेना बाद में स्टेटमेंट्स में. Extent is to be treated as the body or block of if statement. Okay, ये समझ में आया? I'm just, you are used to it. I'm just explaining properly term by term so that you are not whatever doubt is there, that may get cleared up right now. Fourth is of course what? Body or block. These are collection of collection of statements which are indented by the same amount, which are indented to same degree or same extent, to same extent. Okay. ये देखो जो only if कब यूज करते हैं हम लोग, when we have multiple possible outputs but we are bothered about only one and we are not bothered about other types of scenarios, and when that happens, in that case जब भी वो होगा, whenever that one single case that we are interested in matches, then only we are going to perform the action, corresponding action. For all other cases we are going to ignore, or we are not interested in all other possibilities. इस क्वेश्चन में ऐसा नहीं है कि there is only one possibility, there are many outcomes but we are interested in only one possibility. So in such case only we are going to use only if statement. ठीक है, जिसका कि syntax ऐसा होगा, if header and then the body, nothing else. So is it clear in which case only if should be used and what and how that if should be formed and written? How that if should be formed and written, that is the syntax. ये बताओ, इतना क्लियर है तो मैं सेकेंड टाइप में आई विल प्रोसीड. ओके, गुड. पलक हैज अंडरस्टूड. सौरभ, प्रशांत, अजय, प्रियंका. Okay, good. Anant is very dull these days. He used to be very active. उसको थोड़ा सा कुछ एनर्जी का जरूरत है. बॉर्नविटा नहीं पीते हो क्या? हॉर्लिक्स, बॉर्नविटा कुछ पीना शुरू करो.
हॉर्लिक्स पीता हूँ सर हर दिन.
हॉर्लिक्स पीते हो ना? गुड. तो और ज्यादा क्वांटिटी बढ़ा दो. टेक फ्रॉम टुडे, टेक 2 glasses. It's not proving to be successful.
Switch to green tea.
अच्छा, ये स्विच टू ग्रीन टी, दैट इज इवन बेटर. पर तब उसका 2 कप कर दो, 1 कप से. एंड डोंट हैव ग्रीन टी व्हेन योर स्टमक इज एम्प्टी. Okay, that will cause more harm than good.
So they say I have to drink 5 glasses per day, it seems.
Huh?
5 cups a day.
5 cups a day. अच्छा, ठीक है, उतना भी जरूरत नहीं है. एटलीस्ट 2-3 तो यू कैन डेफिनेटली हैव. 5 भी पीते हो तो चलो ठीक है, हर्बल ही है, कोई नुकसान नहीं करेगा. बट हाँ, no, what I mean to say is nothing related to your green tea and Bonvita. Just थोड़ा सा active रहो. Okay. Right. So now we will move to the second variant. क्या था वो? Example of if-else statements. अच्छा, एक और एग्जाम्पल दे देते हैं तुमको, उसका मान लो क्लियर नहीं है अभी भी, तो पहला वाले का एग्जाम्पल 2 चाहिए तो वो भी दे देते हैं. या छोड़ो, दैट इज सिंपल. डू यू नीड मोर एग्जाम्पल और shall we move on to the next one? कि only one case you are interested in and then in that case you are going to use only if. चलो, इतना बोल रहा हूँ उतना देर में लिख देता ना. Okay. Example 2. Write a program to accept a day name. मतलब कि सैटरडे टू मंडे जो भी है लिखते हो, सैटरडे टू संडे जो भी 7 days आता है, डे नेम ऑफ वीक, and print I am happy if the day entered is Sunday. So what we will mean by this? How many possibilities are there? Yes, who will say? How many possible outcomes are there, or how many possible outcomes are possible on the basis of the type of input you are asking? कितने टाइप के होंगे? Yes, anyone? How many different types of input can be given? Only one. Seven, of course, Sajay, correct. हाँ, तो इसमें क्या possible scenarios हो सकते हैं? Possible
So the
scenarios can be कि the day can be one of the 7 days. The user that will provide input, it will be one of the 7 days. So 7 possible political are there: Sunday, Monday, okay, like that. You go on till Saturday. Okay, so 7 possibilities, 7 scenarios or possibilities, right? But are you interested in all 7 or 2, 3, 4? What the question says? What is the demand? Which scenario are you interested in? चलो बोलो, it is straightforward. Anand? क्या हुआ, चला गया क्या? Just observe the question and it's pretty simple. बताओ. So tell me, how many scenarios are you interested in this question?
interested only if it is Sunday.
हाँ, तो ये बात बोल सकते थे ना पहले. Okay, so you are interested in. So, however, interested in only one, that is Sunday, in which case corresponding action will be and that corresponding action be printing I am happy, correct? Right? तो अब देखो तुम्हें आई एम हैप्पी प्रिंट करना है एंड दैट प्रीवियस पेजेस में देखोगे the action forms the body of the if statement. So of course we are clear that here in the program the action, this print I am happy, printing of I am happy will be in the body of the if statement. So हम लोग क्या लिखेंगे इसका आंसर? Day is equals to only input because it is going to be string type. You can prompt here. Prompt क्या हो सकता है? Please enter the day name. ठीक है? Then you will compare if day is equals to what? Sunday. Single quotes or double quotes. This is the header. This will of course evaluate to either true or false. If this is day is Sunday, then it will this will be entire thing will be substituted internally with true. If the day is any other day, it will be substituted with false. If it evaluates to true, this will go inside the body, and body will be what? Action. And what is the action? Printing I am happy. Okay. So are we interested in any other case? The remaining 6? No, that is not the demand of the question. So we are going to simply skip it or ignore it. And therefore we use only this form, and we are the grammar or the rule or the syntax which is of this nature, or in the lines of this syntax. Is it clear? The first type? Quotes के अंदर क्या? I made mistake. क्या? I'm not getting you, Palak. What you are asking here? अच्छा, वो प्रशांत कुछ गलत किया था क्या? Maybe. अच्छा अच्छा, ठीक है. Is it clear? Now, the other two scenarios and some practice questions we will see in the next class, that is, we'll be meeting on Monday. पर मैं just hint दे देता हूँ. अब इसमें क्या होगा if else में? There are many outcomes, but you are only interested in two scenarios. हाँ, only two scenarios, but interested in two possibilities. One is this one, or if not this, then do only this. ठीक है? So in such cases where either one action or the other action has to be performed, okay, so that means out of the many possibilities, if only two action has to be performed, or only two possible outcomes are possible, and correspondingly two actions for each of the possible type is there, then we will go to if else. Okay, for example, in this question, in example 1 here, if we give write a program to accept two numbers from the user and print the number which is greater. So now there are two possibilities. We have to check both the numbers. So we will write if num1 is greater than num2, then print num1, else print num2. So here क्या है? उसके बाद अगर मैं ये कर दूंगा कि print which one is greater, थोड़ा क्वेश्चन को चेंज कर देंगे तो in this example. So of course we will have to check both the scenarios then. Okay, so when there are more than one scenarios, it may be 2, 3, 4, whatever, but you are bothered about two cases. Okay, then if the number of your interested outcomes for you is only 2, ना ही उससे कम ना उससे ज्यादा, okay, then you will go with if else. नहीं पलक, I understood. ठीक है, समझ गया मैं. ठीक है. And when there are you are interested in more than one scenario or more than two scenarios, then you will go with if else. ठीक है. For example, write a program to enter a number, accept two numbers from the user and print if the number first print. जैसे कि ये वाला एग्जांपल सही नहीं है, उसके लिए हम लोग दे सकते हैं, क्या दे सकते हैं? जिसमें 3 है, मान लो कि लेस देन फर्स्ट नंबर इज बिगर और सेकंड असेंडिंग ऑर्डर में इंक्रीज ये करना है, बिगर, स्मॉलर एंड मिडिल, वो भी नहीं होगा. और केस सोचो जिसमें 3 देखोगे, मान लो कि वो डे वाला था. राइट अ प्रोग्राम टू एक्सेप्ट 7 days of a week, accept one day from the 7 days of a week, and then print you are happy if it is Sunday. Okay, you are let's say you can say you are not happy if it is Monday, and for all other days you can write weekday. मान लो इस तरह का कुछ मैसेज देना है. Then there are 3 scenarios, तो उसमें तुम ये कर सकते हो, if else यूज कर सकते हो. तो जब भी one scenario हो, only one interested scenario, you are only one outcome that you are interested in out of more than one more possible outputs or outcomes, then if there are only 2 interest scenarios of interest for you out of many possible outcomes, then you will use if else. If you are interested in more than 2 scenarios that has to be written as a part of the program and some action has to be done, then you will use if else. ठीक है? Is this concept clear? अगर ये clear है तो बताओ, then we will meet in the next class again with some examples of these. प्रियंका समझ में आया? Is it clear? कीर्तना?
Yes, sir.
Okay. ठीक है. In that case, what we'll do is we'll wrap up. आज के लिए इतना ही. Next class में देखते हैं हम लोग. So did you check my teams? Yeah. Okay. I'll come to that. ठीक है. चलो फिर क्लास इतना ही रहेगा. Let me stop the recording. Yes, Priyanka, I'll share.